Welcome to Skyways Airlines. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I need to buy a ticket to London for the next available flight.
Let me check our schedule for this afternoon. We have a non-stop flight departing in 2 hours. Will that work for you?
Yes, that is perfect. I need to get there as soon as possible.
Great, I have economy and business class seats available. Which one do you prefer?
Economy is fine, thank you. Can I choose a window seat?
Yes, I can secure a window seat for you in row 15. May I please have your passport to process the ticket?
Here is my passport. Is one checked bag included with this ticket?
Yes, one checked bag and one carry-on item are included for free.
That is excellent. I just have this one suitcase to check in.
Perfect, your passport is verified. Please place your suitcase on the scale next to you.
There you go. It should be well under the weight limit.
It is perfect. The total for the ticket is $400. You can swipe or tap your card on the terminal now.
Here is my credit card. Thank you for your fast help.
You are very welcome. Here is your passport and your boarding pass. Gate 12 is already open for boarding. Have a wonderful flight.